Hello all the guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's train video without having the further delay. So, this video is about the routine of day 199, and tomorrow we will reach our aim. We will reach our aim of 200 days routine video continuously shooting. So, today is the 22nd June, and in this video I'm going to tell you 22nd June 2024 routine video of day 199. So let's start today's routine video without having the further delay. So basically last night I went for the sleep. I think I didn't went for the sleep. Maybe I have taken the nap, or I maybe I've blinked sometime, but I didn't sleep last night. And this is the first time, I think that this is the first time of my entire life. Maybe one or more days happened in the time of exam, but I'm totally sure that in last night I didn't went for this sleep. Basically I laid down to the bed, but I didn't get sleep because last night before basically on that day, like in yesterday, at the time of evening I already slept too much, around 5 hours, from 5 to 9 maybe around. I went for the sleep in the evening, so that's why in the last night we didn't got sleep very soon. Around 5 a.m., 5:02 or 5:03 a.m., I went to the bathroom. After that I came, and after that I used my phone, and still I didn't get sleep. After that I tried that if I didn't sleep from now, it will leads to the very bad sleeping cycle of mine. So that's why I trying to sleep. So after that I went for the sleep, and I woke up at around 10:30 or 11 a.m. between 10:30 to 11:30 between. Okay. So basically first I brought my cloth. Okay, and after that I went to the ground floor. Yeah, I didn't went to the bathroom because I already went bathroom at the 5 to 3 a.m. Okay, so basically after that I washed my mouth. After that I had taken the bath. After that I worshipped. No, after taking the bath I wore the clothes. After that I worshipped. After that basically I ate food. Maybe I don't know exactly about it. I ate or not. Maybe I ate the food. What I ate today? Parbal. I don't know what we call parbal in English. So let's translate. So basically, last few days, not few days, from one of the video, I also wanted to know that what we call parbal in English, but I was unable to know that because I don't know about that what we call parbal in English. And one thing I wanted to tell you guys that from the many of the state of India, many of the state of India's people don't know about what is purple, and they also also they don't know about what is the manner of cooking of this food, of this vegetable. So I don't know why, but in Bihar this is very very uh, very famous vegetable. Okay, so it is guide point. The name is pointed gourd. Okay, pointed gourd. Okay, so let me write it here so that I can remember. I did not wait guys, let me search pen. Where I situated my pen. Wait, so here I got in my pen, so let me write it. So basically guys, I ate pointed gourd plus potato sabji plus rice. I ate with pickle. Okay, so pointed, Pointed, pointed gourd or gourd, I don't know, it is GOURD spelling here is written. Parval, right? So yeah, so this is all about parval. Okay, so after that guys, I didn't do too much thing to the entire day. I went to the first floor to ground floor, ground floor to first floor to ground floor. At around 2 a.m., sorry, 2 p.m. around, um, my both sister and plus my parents went somewhere, and so after that I was alone at my home, and basically I used my phone. I used not too much thing basically, and after that I wrote down the vocabulary. And today I've decided that from now I will not write any vocabulary, but I will learn vocabulary, but I will not write in my vocabulary notebook, because I have already wrote 300 plus vocabulary. So I will wrote down on that day when we will reach 250 days. From next day I will wrote down. If something word which will I wanted to know, then I will wrote. But like searching from the different words I will not do. I will start again writing the vocabulary when we will reach 250 days. Okay, at 251 days we will start. Okay, so yeah, so this is enough. And I wrote down. So, okay, and after that I ate bread with pickle. And after that my both sister and my with my parents came. My both sister and my parents came from somewhere, because they went somewhere. After that they came home, and they brought for me momos, and I ate. Yeah, and that's all the things which was happened. After that I helped my mother for the homework. Okay, so after that what I had done, let me tell you exactly. uh, Basically after that I didn't do too much thing. I went to the bath. First I had taken, no, first I ate food. After that I went to the bathroom. Okay, and after that I didn't do too much thing. I spent my time with my family. After that I came first floor with water, and after that I'm shooting the video. So basically this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you understand it. If you really understand this video, then can you please like it, because then kind of please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner without having the further delay. So yeah, so let's start today's 5 words. Okay, learning without having the any further delay. So yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So guys, our first word is curse. Curse means, guys, srap. Srap. I curse you. Let me search in Google. If I wrote here like I curse you, I curse you, मैं तुम्हें श्राप देता हूँ. Okay, if I write I ban you, मैं तुम्हें परेशान करता हूँ. If I write I boon you, मैं तुम्हें वरदान देता हूँ. So here we learn 2 words. Basically in ignore, guys, bane. So we learn 2 words. Basically the curse means srap and boon means vardhan. A saint came. Now I wanted to know that what we call tapasya in English, because it is the part of my example. Tapasya. Penance.
Penance.
Penance. Penance. So let me write it here. After that I will tell you the what. I will tell you example. Okay, yeah, penance. Now let me tell you the example. After having a long time of penance, a saint came and gave the curse of one of the person who always trying to disturb that saint, and saint also gave boon to the one of the person who always trying to take care of that saint. That's it. There's 2 words. Basically curse is a very bad. Curse is already given by the legends who is already done too much thing in their life, as well as boon. So after getting the curse, the person who in front of the saint, they told that, my lord, I apologize to you. Please forgive me. From now, I will not do any such kind of activities. I am very, I apologize to you, and I have very regret that I have done this such kind of activity. Please, my lord, I am sorry, my majesty, I am sorry. So after that, the saint feels that I have not done good work to give curse to him. So after that, he decided to give boon. So he gave that one boon that if wait guys, so he gave the boon to one of the to that the same person, that if someone if someone answer your three questions, then your curse will be destroyed and will no long more. Okay, so that's it. So this is the our first two word. Now third word is which means guys chudal. I think that there on the tree there the one of the witch situated. I feels very fear to go there. My Majesty, you go first, because I'm kid in front of you, and you are my owner. I know that you are very strong, so you need to go there and you have to fight with that witch. Yeah, this is the third word. Our fourth word is arrogant. Arrogant means guys ahankari. Why are you too much arrogant? You don't have anything. You don't have even not a single penny. You rascal. Why do you have too much arrogant? I have too much arrogant. That means I have a power to do anything. Are you kidding? You have power? You don't have any power. I know that. I think you don't know me. Who I am. I'm the owner of myself. Yeah, everybody is the owner of their self. Okay, so yeah, basically guys, this is the third word. Fourth word, our last word is seem. Seem guys, pratit hona. It seems like there is someone. It seems like there is someone. Yeah, I also seem that there is someone. On the time, I already seems like that there is someone who is trying to make me fool. So yeah, this is the thing we have learned today. So let's start bottom to the first vocabulary. If we say that vocabulary, revising. Okay. So प्रतीत होना, सेम से अहंकारी, एरोगेंट, चुड़ैल, विच वरदान, बोन श्राप, श्राप, कर्ज, खुजली, ईचिंग, वफादार, लॉयल, शपथ लेना, ओथ, जाति, कास्ट, भेदभाव, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, संघर्ष, संघर्ष वी कैन से द स्ट्रगल, आचार, पिकल, एकाग्रता, कंसंट्रेशन या कंसंट्रेशन, अल्पसंख्यक, माइनॉरिटी, अपराध, क्राइम, आध्यात्मिक, स्पिरिचुअल, इरादा, इंटेंशन, उल्लंघन, वायलेशन, आलोचना, क्रिटिसिज्म, अनिश्चित, अनसर्टेन, मासूम, इनोसेंट, प्रयास, एफर्ट, धरती, अर्थ, धड़कन, धड़कन भी से रहता, हार्ट बीट, डरपोक, कायर, कोवर्ट, झूला, स्विंग, इच्छा, डिज़ायर, घाव, वाउंड, घूरना, स्टेयर, खासियत, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, ऐतिहासिक, हिस्टोरिकल, उचित, प्रॉपर, उलझन, डिलेमा, कन्फ्यूज़न, उम्मीद, होप, हालत, कंडीशन, भाग्य, भाग्य, फेट, थोड़ा, ए लिटल बिट, तालमेल, कोऑर्डिनेशन, जिद्दी, स्टबन, उत्साह, एंथुजियाज्म, उपाय, रेमेडी, और वी कैन से दैट सॉल्यूशन, बीमार, सिक, आदत, हैबिट, बातचीत, कन्वर्जेशन, संभावना, पॉसिबिलिटी, प्रस्ताव, प्रस्ताव, इट्स प्रपोजल, प्राचीन, इंसाइंट, प्रारंभिक, इनिशियल, तरक्की, तरक्की, प्रोग्रेस, जागरूकता, अवेयरनेस, उपयुक्त, अप्रोप्रिएट, मूली, रेडिस, पालक, स्पिनच, शिमला मिर्च, बेल पेपर, बर्तन, यूटेंसिल्स, जड़ी बूटी, हर्ब्स, कमर वेस्ट, चोट, इंजरी, कपड़े धोने का स्थान, लॉन्ड्री, चश्मा, ग्लासेस, कांच, ग्लास, पैदल, ऑन फूड, नतीजा, आउटकम, के बजाय, इंस्टीड, मुश्किल से, बैडली, आधी रात, मिडनाइट, हाल ही में, रिसेंटली, आज रात, टुनाइट, पक्का, श्योर, पर्दे, कर्टेन्स, के खिलाफ, अगेंस्ट, बगल में, बिसाइड, पकड़ना, कैच, खिलाना, फीड, भौंकना, बार्क, रोना, विचार, थॉट, न्याय, जस्टिस, निर्देश, इंस्ट्रक्शन, विरोध करना, प्रोटेस्ट, पहुंचना, अराइव, नीचा दिखाना, ह्यूमिलिएट, बेवकूफ़, नासमझ, सिली, डांटना, स्कोल्ड, बदनाम करना, डिफेम, लगाव, अफेक्शन, इश्कबाजी करना, फ्लर्ट, कुवारा, बैचलर, बहादुर, ब्रेव, बहकाना, मिसगाइड, परेशानी, ट्रबल अंधविश्वास, सुपरस्टिशन, पास नियर खटखटाना, नॉक बनाना, क्रिएट पीछे, बिसाइड सचमुच, लिटरली जरूरी, असेंशियल निश्चित रूप से, अपेरेंटली फुसफुसाना, विस्पर धीरज, पेसेस, लिफाफा, एनवेलप समझाना, समझाना वी से दैट एक्सप्लेन या एक्सप्लेन, आश्चर्य वंडर and wonder means आश्चर्य, wonder means something like going to the somewhere, like in Hindi quote we said that घूमना. Okay, so that's it. I'm just giving the example in Hindi. Okay, that means I'm speaking in English, I'm just telling you the in Hindi manner. Okay, आश्चर्य, वंडर, आरामदायक, कंफर्टेबल, ले आओ, ब्रिंग, सांस, पीड़ित, भक्त, डिवोटी, उत्सुक, ईगर, आत्मा, सोल, बेचैनी, एंजाइटी, स्वीकार करना, एक्नॉलेज. सो गाइस, दिस इज द आर these words. Okay, and we have learned, so let's learn one accounting topic. So basically if I tell you the one accounting topic, that means what is drawing. Basically guys, drawing is the property which is withdrawn by the proprietor from the firm for their personal use, and they have to pay interest on drawing. So basically this is the drawing where the proprietor takes some assets or money from the firm for their personal use. So basically this is the thing which was happened today. So I think it is enough for today. Let's end the video guys. Sri Radhe, bye bye.